How to change the background in the Lightroom mobile application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, make sure you have the updated and the latest version of Lightroom application. Once you launch the Lightroom application or mobile, log in using your credentials or Google account. Then you can select a photo that you want to edit. You can select it from your library photos. But before that, keep in mind that you can only change the background if you have the Lightroom Premium, because only the Premium version allows you the access to selective tools. So if you do not have Premium, you'll need to purchase it to proceed. After upgrading, you can use the selective tool to choose the specific areas of your image, like that of the background. For this, you have to select the background of your image using the tool, and after that, you can edit or replace it with another image or adjust the color and brightness to achieve the desired effect. So this is it for today's video. So you will require Lightroom Premium in order to change the background of your photo using the selective tool. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and for more such contents, keep watching.